Boys and girls, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, November the 1st, 2022. We have here two already solved puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left in this additional. The killers, no, this is not the killer Sudoku. This is the tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block with 4 stars. And this one you are interested, yes, it's the binary, because I'm going to solve this one, the binary. Yes, binary time number 5416. 5416. Before I start, let me count the boxes. I want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1 here, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. Here we have 3 ones in the last row. If I place number 4 here, then we have also 3 O's in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. Now we have a double O here. Here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 3 ones we have here. If I place a number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then let me think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 ones in the first row. If I place number 4 here, here, the fourth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. First row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, then we still have 3 O's in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have here also 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, the fourth O, then we have 4 ones in a row in this third row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me continue here. 3 O's, still 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, here, the fourth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1 then. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then yeah, 3 ones in the last row. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, then we still have 3 O's in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Okay, I think we need to compare something because I cannot continue. Okay, we have 2 completed rows. 1 2 3 4 completed columns. 101. Okay, 10. This is different. 10. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1 2 3 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Need to compare again. Yeah. 101. Do we have a 101 here? Oh, 011. Here we have 011. Yeah. This row, the second row, and that row, yeah. Compare again. 1 1 1 1 0 0. Empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1 1 2 3 4. Yes, completed in 7 minutes. You need to compare twice. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.